In a magical forest where children used to come and play, there lived two powerful fairies. The forest was beautiful, but the dark fairy always tried to scare the children and lead them astray.
One day, three children named Ali, Ayesha, and Hassan came to play in the forest. They were laughing when suddenly a black smoke spread everywhere.
The bad fairy appeared from the shadows, filling the forest with fear.
Help us!
She released a dark windstorm, making the children fall and struggle to stand out.
Suddenly, a golden light flashed. The honest fairy arrived and created a wall of light, protecting the children. Don't be scared. I am here.
The dark fairy immediately fired arrows. The honest fairy raised her hand, forming a shield of light, where the arrows struck and shattered.
We'll help too!
Dark thorns rose from the ground, moving toward the children. Hassan quickly grabbed Ayesha's hand. The honest fairy sent a wave of light. All the thorns disappeared.
Well done.
You are very brave!
The dark fairy rose into the sky and began striking with lightning. The children were scared, but Ali said,
We are not afraid! The honest fairy created a large circle of light, stopping the lightning. The two fairies clashed in the sky. Explosions, flashes, and loud thunder filled the air. Below, the children stood holding each other's hands.
That's a lie! We are together!
When she spoke the truth, a soft golden light began to shine around her glade. Truth makes you strong.
Seeing the children's courage, the dark fairy created a massive black storm. The sky turned dark as her anger filled the forest. As the honest fairy weakened, the children stepped forward and said, We stand! Suddenly, light spread around them, and that power reached the honest fairy.
Now the honest fairy was more powerful than ever, and she said, It's over.
The dark fairy launched her final attack, but the light of the honest fairy and the children stopped it. Flash! Boom! The dark fairy fell to the ground. She had become weak.
How is this possible?
The honest fairy smiled and said, Truth and courage always win, especially when children stand together.
The dark fairy silently disappeared into the shadows.
The children laughed with joy. We did it, Hassan said.
Remember, speaking the truth and standing by each other is the greatest strength.
And from that day on, every child in the forest became brave.